Welcome to my very first video tutorial. Hope you will like it. Today I will color one of the adorable critters from the So Suzy Stamps July release. We will color one critter per day for 4 days. This is the card I had made for the release. Today I will color the octopus. We call him Pluto after the planet which sadly has been demoted to a dwarf planet status. Suzy will be giving away a Pluto stamp today to a randomly selected winner from the comments below. So please do not forget to comment if you want to participate in this awesome giveaway. The supplies I am using today are Memento Tuxedo Black ink, the octopus stamp, Copic markers in V0000, V12, V15, V17, V09 and the colorless blender in case I go over the lines. The paper I like to use with Copic markers is the Gina K Designs Pure Luxury Cardstock. This works best for me and I find that the blending is easier and the colors show up brighter. So without further delay, let's start coloring. Please excuse my head bobbing in and out of the video and my disheveled hair. I did not realize this till after I had filmed everything. I promise this won't happen again. First, I am laying down a base coat using V0000. This doesn't have to be perfectly blended as I will be putting down a lot of layers over this. Then I use the second darkest color V17 for mapping my shadows. Before I do this, I always think about where my light source is. Here I assume the light is coming from the front. Also, it is important to think about the shape of the object you are coloring. The head of the octopus is kind of spherical, so I am trying to keep that in my mind when I color it. I use the other markers to blend and shade and I am going back and forth between them until I am happy with the shading. My darkest color is V09 which I use last of all before I go back to my lightest colors to blend out everything. After I finish the basic shading and coloring, I will use the dotting technique to give some texture to my critter. It is best to practice this beforehand if you are doing it for the first time. In this picture, I show the different sizes of dots that can be achieved using the Copic sketch marker. I will be using the smaller dots for this particular critter. Now I am laying down tiny dots going from my darkest shade to the lightest. For the eyes, you can use either glossy accents or the Pico embellisher in shimmer. I used the Pico here. You could also use a Copic multiliner and a white gel pen to add more dots to your critter. I skipped this step. I would like to show you another octopus I colored using markers from the Blue Violet group. I think this color suits Pluto too. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos from me, please let me know by liking my video, subscribing to my channel, and do not forget to comment below for a chance to win this octopus stamp. Hope you have a great day.